I did. I've arrived at the venue. 오늘은 I'm gonna attend the CIPS Global 2024 Economy Diagnosis. 들어가기 전에 지금 조금 민망해가지고 이렇게 하고 있는데 왜냐면은 actually I've registered the program but my course did not start. So I actually don't know anyone of the alumni. So this is gonna be my first alumni networking session. And I'm kind of feeling so shy and nervous. 아, 너무 창피하다. 제가 굉장히 이했다가 이렇게 유튜브도 하는 관종이지만 외국인들밖에 없는 이 대학원 네트워킹 세션에 처음으로 가서 사람들이랑 친해지려고 하니까 약간 지금 멘붕 상태예요. 아, 근데 이렇게 해야 된다고 했어. MBA 가면은 가가지고 철판 깔고 난 누구다라고 하라고 했어. 그래서 한번 가보려고 하고 오늘 Who knows? 엄청 중요한 사람을 만나게 될 수도 있으니까 이렇게 저의 MBA 저니의 첫 발을 한번 떼보도록 하겠습니다. 저기 보입니다. 제가 미리 사인업을 해가지고 이렇게 충분히 볼 수 있을 것 같은데 아, 찾았다. There's this Ina. 배지도 주네. 배지도 좀 달고 안에 들어가서 네트워킹 해야 되는데 좀 기다려보도록 할게요. 나 진짜 너무 부끄러워. 어떡해. 나 MBA 못 갈 것 같아, 얘들아. I'm actually filming the vlog too.
Sure. No problem.
No problem? Thank
problem.
you. So should I like put this in
Sure,
like
sure,
this?
sure. Please, please. You
Ah.
are already, part of this
Oh,
alumni
thank
network.
you. Thank you. So this is actually my first time of the networking session. So I heard in MBA program there is going to be a lot of this kind of networking sessions.
Yeah.
So I can't be really shy, right? But you guys have this kind of interview a lot often in Seoul, or is this a regular session?
Once a year.
Ah, I see.
Annual event.
Yeah, I've also interviewed some of the MBI graduate from another school, and they also told me that this kind of networking session, even before the program starts, actually help them to find a co-founder or the business partner.
推销什么말하면 좀 진짜 같아요. 진짜 이렇게 해가지고 뭐 진짜 이렇게 하면 약간 조금 더 친구가 들었어. 우리 선생님이 이렇게 해주더라고.
You were honest. You were very small, right?
I lived in the US for 17 years and in China for 3 years, Guangzhou and Shanghai, about 20. And I came back 3 years.
Is the key factor that drives supply and drives demand, right?
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
나 진짜 여러분 졸업하신 지 얼마 안 돼서 일하시는 거지만 저는 와 이런 걸 언제 모르겠어요.
거시경제 관심이 더 많아가지고 지금 원래 이런 쪽으로만 제가 좀 일부 몰랐어요. 그랬었어요.
LAS. London School of Economics, because they usually send every year the young students. But I heard from Christina that, but in some cases.
Hello everyone. So a few days ago, it was an MBA seminar, and then I just wanted to share my thoughts with you guys and then wrap up the vlog. So firstly, let's keep on challenges. Challenges have its own meaning. I mean, thinking about studying after such a long time really makes me so excited, and I'm just so happy to think that I can spend my time studying instead of just working. And second, the world is really fast. I've talked to some friends who studied from China, Thailand, and the UK, and Spain and New York. And even though our conversation was really brief, I felt like I absorbed a lot of different perspectives. So what I think is right, or what I think is true, or what I think I'm doing well right now can keep changing. So I need to stay humble and be open-minded. And last but not least, I really need to work hard and earn money. I mean, the tuition is really expensive, and I definitely agree that it's worth it, but still, I think I really need to work hard to finish this journey successfully. But I'm really excited and so looking forward to literally starting this journey with you. Alright then, I'll see you in my next episode. Until then, stay healthy. See you. Bye everyone. 你叫什么名字까지 배웠어. 我叫纪妮娜。你吃饭了吗？끝.